Livingstone is the tourist capital of Zambia. It is home to the magnificent Victoria Falls and is surrounded by an abundance of wildlife. It's a destination for nature lovers and adrenaline junkies. PUM is active in the region in several sectors, online marketing for hospitality and tourism being one of them.
Morning.
So my ambition with Nkhosi is to see that we could have more of the local tourism, because yes, we do have a lot of international tourism, but for now with the COVID in place, the travel is just building up, but we're having more of the local tourism. We have the Royal Livingstone and the Avanis, which are on the higher side, but we have locals that would like to go there, but they cannot afford. So we're trying to create almost the same atmosphere as the nice hotels, and for the locals to come and stay with us where they can able to afford to stay in a beautiful place. Yes. Before I met Pam, Hugo, I had no idea of how to build a website, or the idea of knowing that marketing was very important for establishments like hotels. But ever since I underwent the trainings with Pam, it was amazing for me. It was a God-sent gift. So during the trainings with Pam and Hugo, I learned how to build a website, how to conduct marketing online, social media, and all the other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. So for now, I'm able to create websites for other people as well, which for me, I find as a privilege. And so I say thank you to Hugo and Ingutu for introducing this, and for Pam coming to our country and helping out a lot of people.